On a sunny afternoon, Ethan was playing with his toy cars, making exciting vroom sounds across the living room rug. His mother, Mrs. Parker, walked into the living room, looking tired after her long day at work. Ethan saw the tired look on his mother's face. He knew she had worked very hard. A kind thought sparked in Ethan's heart. He decided he wanted to help her. First, Ethan began to gather his toy cars, putting them neatly into his toy box. Then, he straightened the cushions on the sofa and tidied the magazines on the coffee table. His mother watched from the kitchen doorway, a soft smile growing on her face. Next, Ethan went to the dining room and carefully began to set the dinner table. He remembered exactly where each fork and spoon belonged. Mrs. Parker came over and ruffled his hair. "You are such a wonderful helper, my dear," she said warmly. Ethan then saw the laundry basket full of clean clothes. He knew he could help with that too. With a big effort, he lifted the basket and carried it towards the bedrooms. His mother's tired face now held a bright, joyful smile. "Thank you, Ethan," she said, her voice full of love. Ethan felt a warm feeling in his chest. Helping his mother made him feel happy too. He learned that helping at home was a beautiful way to show love and make everyone feel good. From that day on, Ethan always looked for ways to help, knowing that his loving hands made a big difference.